Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you're holding Shiba Inu on Crypto.com and want to move it to your Phantom wallet for better DeFi opportunities in 2025, you're in the right place. This quick guide will walk you through the process step by step, making it easy and secure. Whether you're new to crypto or just need a refresher, let's dive in and get those tokens transferred. First, make sure you have everything ready. You'll need the Crypto.com app installed on your phone or accessible via web, and the Phantom Wallet app set up with your Shiba Inu address. Remember, Shiba Inu is an ERC20 token on the Ethereum network, so ensure both wallets are connected to the same network to avoid any issues. Step 1. Open the Crypto.com app and log in to your account. Head over to your wallet section and select Shiba Inu from your list of assets. This will show you your current balance. Step 2. Tap on the Withdraw or Transfer button for Shiba Inu. You'll be asked to enter the recipient's wallet address, so keep that handy. Step 3. Switch to your Phantom Wallet app. Go to the Receive or Assets section, select Shiba Inu, and copy the wallet address. Double check that it's for the Ethereum network. Phantom might support multiple chains, so get the right one. Step 4. Back in Crypto.com, paste the Phantom address into the withdrawal form. Enter the amount of Shiba Inu you want to transfer, review any transaction fees, and hit Confirm. Fees can vary based on network congestion, so keep an eye on that. Step 5. Wait for the transaction to process. This usually takes a few minutes, but it could be longer depending on Ethereum's traffic in 2025. Once it's done, open Phantom Wallet and check your balance to confirm the tokens have arrived. A quick tip. Always verify wallet addresses to prevent costly mistakes, use a secure internet connection, and never rush the process. Crypto transfers are irreversible. There you have it. That's how you transfer Shiba Inu from Crypto.com to Phantom Wallet in 2025. It's straightforward once you know the steps, and this could open up new earning opportunities for you. If you found this helpful, smash that like button, subscribe for more crypto tutorials, and hit the bell icon for updates. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.